Wagwan sauce, Dr. Fam. Today, me gonna put on to Redmond. No need for a chopper, no need for a blender, but just get Redmond. And the reason why you need to get Redmond is because it has a milk frother, handheld blender to puree your fruits and vegetables, a meat and vegetable chopper, a beater for your egg whites and your whipped cream and all those delicious things. So get Redmond today. Alright, so as you can see, Redmond handheld blender. It got 1 year warranty, it's 500 watts. It has overload protection and overcurrent protection. This is a green HB002. Alright. As you can see, love food, love life, love Redmond. That's beautiful. It says savor the Redmond flavor, the Redmond touch, for the ones you love. Hot food, warm hearts, nothing beats a Redmond start. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. You can see Redmond. In our box, we have this manual. As you can see, max operation per time cannot exceed 30 seconds to 3 minute rest cycle. Wow. Now this handheld blender is really heavy duty. Look at that. The color is beautiful. We got this piece right here. This is the attachment. Then we got this cup in there too, along with a mixer head. So we're gonna assemble this and we'll be right back. We also got the part that you can use for your coffee. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have our blender organized. We got some parboiled carrots in there, and it's so easy to lock like that. We're gonna squeeze the sides, get our piece down in there. All right. So I think I put too much liquid in there. Okay guys, so as we can see, it's very important for us to read the instruction. So this piece right here is to chop veggies and meats. So when you have Redmond, you really don't need nothing more. It's a complete set. Alright, so as you can see, our carrots are nicely chopped, which that's what it's intended for. So we're going to go in with the hand blender. Wow, it's very powerful. Look at that. Wow. This blender is very, very powerful. Look at that. Wow. So, as you can see, Redmond is the only blender system you need. You got something for your chopping. You got something to puree. Look at that. You see that? Beautiful. Guys, Redmond, they'll give me a coupon code down below and you can use that. But we're gonna use this puree to make a delicious carrot juice, Jamaican style. So thank you, Redmond, once again for sending me this amazing handheld blender system. I think this is all I'm gonna need. This is for your chopping. This is to make the froth on your coffee. And you also got like a whisk if you're making like cakes and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. Redmond, shout out to you.